What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades, and today crypto has gone down a lot. So I made a bunch of money in polymath today, and then it basically dumped down to where it was, and even lower than where it was. So it went all the way down to 66 cents, but it went all the way up to 95 today. So today's video, basically I'm going to be doing a video about how to use the money. Say you put $2,000 in crypto, you make $2,500, you take the $500 in profit. Now, what do you do with that $2,000 that you have left now? What crypto do you buy? Do you just throw it right back in there in anything? No. So what we're going to do today is we are going to talk about putting our money back in after we took profits and putting that original investment back in the market. Now, what are we going to do? This is a perfect time for this. We made money today. Now we're fixing to put money back in the market and everything is down. Bitcoin just went way down from 66,000 all the way to 61,000 today. So this is one of the best days that you could buy in crypto, is when everything is down, down, down. Now, I would wait for right now because everything seems like it's on a downward trajectory still. So I would probably wait until tomorrow. It all depends on when you see this video and when you actually are trading. So just, if it's on a different day, just kind of adjust this to where you're at in crypto. If it's not dumping right now, wait for a dip. Now, this is considered a dip or a correction or a pullback. And these are the best times when everything's down 6, 5, 8, everything is down basically. There's a couple crypto that are up, but that's it. But the whole market is basically down. These are the perfect times to buy. Now, ones like the graph, man, this went down to a pretty good price. It's at 96 right now. It went down to 94. I really want to see if we can actually make a further pullback, maybe to like 70 or 80 at least, and then I'd definitely buy into the graph. Now, I'm going to wait until I see where the bottom is, and then I might actually pull the trigger anyway, because I see a nice maybe 15 to 20% pullback. Maybe we might get a 30% pullback because we haven't had one of those in a while, and that would be good. That would bring everything back down to probably about a $2.5 trillion market instead of over $3 trillion, which is actually probably a lot lower now. This is the best time that you can buy crypto, and then in those times when it pumps, you can take your profits and make money. So this is what's beautiful about the volatility of crypto, and when the market is down, this is when you can make your most money. So which crypto do you pick though? Everything is down. Well, again, you need to learn your crypto, and you need to learn the average prices in a bull market and a bear market. So we've been in a bull market for the last several months. Now we want to figure out which crypto is going to gain us the next profit. That is hard to do sometimes unless you know what crypto does, which cryptos are good, and at what prices to buy. So that's what you have me for. Right now the graph is at 97 cents, and normally I would say that's a little bit high to buy, especially because graph really only went to $1.33 at the most this bull market. The last bull market, it did go up to 287, but as you see, we have not even came close to that. We haven't even got to the bottom level over here yet, and so that's at $1.60. We almost reached that level with $1.30. Actually, let's see where this went. $1.26. So I take that back. We actually have reached partially over here. Now, these levels are extremely important for now, because each one is going to be a resistance and the next level that we will go to after that. So after $1.33, the next one is going to be actually $1.34. See that? That's basically where we went right now. And that was our resistance and why we went back down. You see that? $1.33, basically $1.34. And then if you go up farther out, this dip, $1.34. So we already bypassed that one, and that one we didn't. That acted as resistance. So if we can get over $1.34, then we go up to the next level here, which is going to be $1.58. See how that works? And it doesn't always work like that. It's not like 100% of the time, but a lot of the times that is how it works. It goes to the next level, the next level, the next level, and then you gotta, see what the patterns are, the technical analysis, the news, the market sentiment. So there's so many different things that you have to look at. But for right now, everything is dipping. Wonderful time to purchase crypto. Okay, so another one, maybe AMP. I wouldn't buy at the 5 cents or on AMP, even 536. It hasn't dumped a whole lot, I would say, today to consider a purchase price. I would want to get AMP in the low 4s. So I want to get it down here maybe at 410. If I can't get 410, I would want to at least get like 460, 450, 440, one of those. I would ideally want to get 410. That is the definite bottom, and support. We have massive support there. So, and then there's a lot of money to be made there. So I would wait on AMP. Decentraland, yeah, too high at 8%, down on the day, but over $3. Yeah, that's pretty good, but it is still too high. I think it could go to $4 or $5, but the chances of it going down are bigger. Until we hear more news on Facebook, which that might actually be too late. It still could be a good purchase, guys. This is something, see, when I'm talking out loud, I might be contradicting what I'm saying, but that's my thought process, you guys. You're hearing my thought process. It isn't that I'm thinking two ways. It's that I'm, contemplating every side of the outcome and then, coming with a conclusion from those deductions that I make. You see, it's really technical. It's like I'm playing chess, but with money. With crypto. It's like chess. I'm trying to think 6 or 7 moves ahead so that I can, strategically make it work for me, just like anybody else would do, right? So under $3 is a good price for Engine. Now, Stellar Lumens hasn't gone up for a while. So if we get a good dip on this in the 20s somewhere, that would definitely be a good purchase, for Stellar Lumens. So 31 would be a beautiful, but if we could get into the 20s, that would even be better. I don't even think, we've been in the 20s back in the bear market, and once in the bull market here, we did go to 26. So at 36, you could still make a profit on Stellar Lumens if it pumps. So it hasn't really pumped lately, and it has done a lot of dumping. It did pump to 44, but not a whole lot. I mean, you could have made a little nice profit, but not huge gains. Now, this is more of a long-term dollar cost average, put money in over time, hold for a while. So the next big money maker, though, because our long-term holds are, XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Well, my Ethereum, see, I have a different approach with Ethereum because I already sold mine. I bought in at 200. So I really made a big profit off of Ethereum. And it never really went down to another price where I could make a lot of profit. And there was just others that were gaining more. But I am going to try to get into Ethereum again pretty soon, especially if we have big dips like this. So this might be a good time to buy at 42, especially if we're going to go to 6,500 before the end of the bull market. So those are things you need to, look. So everything is down, guys. There's like one crypto that's up, UMA, and everything else is down. So lots of stuff to pick from. It's just basically choose which one you like best. Do the research on the project, see which one you like. If you have to buy the dip or dollar cost average, those are the two best ways to get into crypto. Not financial advice, entertainment purposes, only common sense. But this is beautiful. This is a great time to be purchasing crypto. All right, guys, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang!